Right there. That notification on your phone. My bot just bought a stock. Automatically. No clicking. No charts. I wasn't even at my computer. I built the whole thing in one afternoon with zero coding experience. And I'm going to show you exactly how. By the end of this video, you'll have 4 things. A bot that trades the stock market for you every single day. Telegram alerts on your phone the moment it trades. Paper trading mode so there's zero real money at risk. And it runs completely on its own. Set it up once and forget it. So what is Claude Code? Here's the simple version. It's an AI that writes computer code for you. You type what you want in plain English, like texting a smart friend. Claude Code writes every single line. You don't need to read it. You don't need to understand it. It even fixes its own mistakes. And you can get started for just $20 a month with Claude Pro. The strategy we're automating is called the Touch and Turn Scalper. Every morning, when the stock market opens at 9:30 a.m., there's usually one big dramatic candle in the first 15 minutes. That candle is caused by big banks moving the price on purpose. Traders call it manipulation. After that move, the price almost always snaps back the other way. That's the moment our bot enters the trade. Automatically. Step 1. Open your terminal and paste this command. It installs Claude Code in about 20 seconds. When you see the success message, you're ready to go. Step 2 is where the magic happens. This is the exact prompt I typed. Screenshot this right now. Just plain English. No code. No technical knowledge at all. Describe what you want and press enter. Watch what Claude Code does next. It starts building files one by one. Strategy logic. Telegram notifier. Backtester. 9 files written by AI in under 60 seconds. A developer would take days. I did it in a minute. Step 4. Your bot needs a few Python libraries to run. This one command installs all of them automatically. Finance, Alpaca, Telegram, 30 seconds and you're done. Step 5 is where most beginners get stuck, so pay close attention. You need 2 free accounts. Alpaca for paper trading and Telegram for alerts. I've linked the exact sign-up pages in the description. Once you have your keys, paste them in here, exactly as shown. And now, the moment of truth. Type python main.py and press enter. The bot connects to the market. It starts scanning. When it spots the pattern, it trades. And your phone lights up. Here are the real backtest numbers, 6 months of historical data. Meta hit 52% win rate. JP Morgan came in at 46%. Netflix at 40%. 119 trades total, over $1,200 in paper profits. And this message right here, that's what lands on your phone every single trading morning. One important warning before you go. Trading always involves real risk of loss. Backtest results don't guarantee future profits. Markets change. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Always start with paper trading. Prove it works first. And never trade money you can't afford to lose entirely. That's episode 1 done. You now have your own automated trading bot running on paper money. Episode 2 covers how to go live safely with as little as $500. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Drop your questions in the comments. I read every single one. See you in episode 2.